Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Abby. In today's video I'll be making this smoky patty jollof rice. So everybody has their own different method. This is my own method. This is how I get mine. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you share this video, leave your comments and like this video as well. Please, let's get right into the video. So these are the list of ingredients. I'll be using rice. I already washed this rice. This is the normal Nigerian rice. I'll be using pepper, tatashe, tomatoes, ginger and garlic and onions. I'll be using tomato paste, sliced onions. This one I'll just use it to fry the pepper. This is beef chicken stock that's been well seasoned, bay leaf, curry and thyme, chicken seasoning, salt, cooking oil, nutmeg. This is optional, so let's get right into the video.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
The first thing I did was to pour oil in my pot, and if you want to get that smoky flavor, please don't use non-stick pot because you're not going to achieve it. You have to use pots like this. So this is me just adding my diced onions into the pot, and I'm just stir frying it for a bit. I stir fried it for about 3 minutes, just to allow the flavor from the onions infuse into the oil. Then I'm adding in my tomato paste. Please make sure you fry your tomato paste very well. You want to fry it to the point that the tomato paste is separating from the oil. Don't worry, I'll show you what I mean later in this video.
Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart,
then I went in to add my bay leaf. I also added curry and thyme. Don't mind me, I was just being very extra. So I added my bay leaf because I wanted to awaken the flavor from the bay leaf instead of just adding it later on. So I added my curry and thyme, continue to stir fry it, and this is what I mean when I say that you want your tomato paste to separate from the oil.
yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need?
So I went in to add the pepper that you saw at the beginning. I blended everything to be smooth, and I'm just rinsing it out with water, little water. I didn't blend it with water at all because I don't want the cooking process to be too long. So I just rinsed it out, poured it in, and I'm stirring it. So I covered it and allowed the liquid in the pepper mixture to reduce drastically. But I was stir frying. I was checking up on it occasionally off camera. So as you can see here, it's even getting burnt already, but it's beginning to fry properly. So I fried it. I left it there for over 15 minutes on medium to low heat, and I was stirring it occasionally. So this is me just stirring again, just to like try to lift up the burnt pieces below.
Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, I could have stayed.
Then after stirring, I covered it again for a while, allowed it to fry a little bit more. Can you see the difference? It's reduced totally and it's looking fried. You can even just add your protein to this, your beef stock, and call it a day, but this is for jollof rice. Anyways, so I added in my nutmeg. This nutmeg is optional. I don't know the I don't know the taste it gives, but people add it. And me too. So I started seeing people add it. I started adding it. Maybe it gives it a different taste. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, my nutmeg even fell inside. That is when the Holy Spirit told me, okay, it's okay, it's okay. There's nothing you don't put, it's okay, it's okay. Because this thing, I don't measure them. So it's just when I feel in my head that, oh, it's enough, I stop. So this me just stir frying it again. And I went in to add my rice, stirred it. I already washed this rice. I don't even know the name, the brand of this rice. I collected it from my mom. I went back to check up on the food about 12 minutes later. As you can see, it's almost ready. All the oil has come up to the surface. It's me just stirring and tasting it, checking to see if it's almost ready, if the seasoning is right, everything like that. So I covered it again for about 5 minutes, and when I opened it, it was almost ready. It was like 95% ready. I should have skimmed out the oil, but I don't know why I didn't. But please skim out your own oil. The oil was quite a lot, I won't even lie. Anyway, so I decided to cover it with foil. Instead of adding more water, I just cover it with foil so that the heat from the rice cooks the the rice through. Instead of adding more water, then your food becomes soggy. Just cover it with parchment paper, or you cover it with foil and let the steam do the rest of the cooking. So I put it on high heat at this point, like the highest heat, so that it burns a little bit. And when it burns like that, that is what gives the rice that smoky flavor you're looking for. I promise you. So just increase the heat to the highest, cover with foil, and let it burn. The smoke that you see when I open the pot is what is going to give that rice that smoky flavor. So just This is me checking up on my rice again. The rice is quite ready. As you can see, it's not looking mashed because I need to add more water. Please don't always be tempted to add water to this thing. Just cover it with parchment paper or plastic nylon or whatever it is and let it heat do the cooking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe again, leave your comments, like this video, share this video as well. I'll see you in another one. Bye.